Question 6. Without using mathematical tables or a calculator, evaluate 6 the log to base 2 of the cube root of 64 plus 10 the log to base 3 of the fifth root of 243. This question is a combination of the laws of indices, and it is a combination of indices and the logarithmic notations. So this is 6 the log of to base 2 of 64. Now instead of 64, we rewrite it as 2 raised to the power 6, but then it is a cube root. So when it's a cube root, it is raised to the power a third. Then plus 10 the log of to base 3 of, instead of 243, we rewrite it as 3 raised to the power 5, but everything is raised to the power 1 over 5. Just in case of any confusion, this is what I'm doing. I'm rewriting the members. The cube root of 64 is the same as, 64 raised to the power a third. But then 64 can be written in terms of its prime numbers as 2 raised to power 6. That is 2 power 6, but everything is raised to the power a third. Same to 243. 243, the fifth root, is the same as 243, but raised to the power 1 over 5. So now we express 243 in terms of its simplest prime factors, and the prime factor is 3. That is 3 raised to the power 5. The 3 raised to power 5 is again raised to the power 1 over 5, and that is what we have done here. Okay, now that we have that knowledge, let's go back to our question. We are only evaluating, we are not solving for any unknown. So this is now 6 the log to base 2. When we simplify here, we get 2 squared plus 10 the log to base 3. When we simplify here, we get 3. What you notice here, there's one thing we notice here, that it is 6 then the log of 2 to base 2. This 2 again comes here like this to become 12 then the log to base 2 of 2 plus this remains here. There's something we are looking for, the log to base 3 of 3. From the previous questions, we've said when a number is raised to its own base, it's equal to 1. So this is the log to base 3 of 3, the log to base 2 of 2. So this is therefore 12 multiplied by 1 plus 10. This is 10 raised multiplied by 1. Hence it is 12 plus 10, and our solution becomes 22.